Welcome to COMET Compute Serve Private Limited. In this course, we will be learning Ansible for network automation. First of all, what is network automation? Network automation is the process of automating the configuring, managing, testing, deploying, and operating of physical and virtual devices in network. It removes the manual steps to manage the network, such as logging into routers, switches, load balancers, firewalls, etc. Why network automation? One of the biggest issues for network managers is the growth of IT cost for network operations. 95% of network changes are performed manually, resulting in operational cost 2 to 3 times higher than the cost of the network. So centrally and remotely managed is very essential for business to keep pace in the digital world. Who can do this course? This course is built for network engineers who are seeking to get an introduction into Ansible. This program does not need any background coding skills. Students should have some expertise in networking field, such as managing switches and routers. So why Ansible? Ansible is absolutely free and open source, and it automates and simplifies repetitive tasks, and it brings huge time savings when we configure large number of network devices. No special coding skills are necessary to use Ansible. You no need to have any agent installed in client system, and the most of the codes are readily available as modules. So in this course, we will be getting started with Python and Python data structures and its methods. Without understanding Python data structures, we won't be able to completely understand Ansible. Once we have a good idea about Python data structure, we will be move on to Ansible part. We will explain you how Ansible works and its architecture and its terminology, and we will be help to create your first playbook, and we will be explaining you models, parameters and variables, and we will explain the concept of idempotency, and we will demonstrate you the config model, and we will make some changes in the iOS device, and we will be teach you how to execute the playbook and managing the credentials in command line arguments, and we will be explaining you how group based variables and host based variables are created, and we will be explaining you what is built-in variables, and we will be learning how to pass the user input when execution of playbook, and we will be deep diving the debug model, and we will be demonstrating you how to use the show commands on network devices, and we will be demonstrating multi-vendor models, and we will be explaining you how to perform the compliance checks in against Cisco devices, and we will teach you Jinja 2 language to create reports, and we will explaining you loops and register concept in Ansible, and we will be explaining you how to parse the unstructured data to structured format, and we will be demonstrating you of the diff model, and we will be collecting data from devices, and we will be explaining you how to report the data to email, and we will be learning how to collect the facts from the iOS device, and we will be explaining you line in file model, and we will be explaining the Ansible roles concept, and we will give an introduction about Ansible Tower. 70% of this course will be lab. You will be given Ansible server and Cisco iOS devices. I am very excited to see you on course. Thank you.